Achiel kuom jochung' loso sani.
My colleagues, even the MCS, members of parliament, but I've restrained them not to retaliate because this is an election that I'm winning. And for me, I have to show some exemplary leadership by getting humility first as a character, because I don't have to let the people bleed for me to lead. That is why I've restrained myself. I've been provoked a lot, but for me, I've been for peace all through. During my campaign, I've not even mentioned my competitor at any given time by name. I've not even tried to get into their territories with a lot of energy, because at the end of it, I have to respect them and respect also the way they are conducting themselves. But for me, I'm telling the people of Malava, let them exercise their democratic right, let them make their choice, and let them not be intimidated by anybody, let them not be coerced in any way. The blackmail that is going around from my opponents, those are sideshows. And I want to state categorically that if there is anything, I've been the peaceful candidate in this election. The government has tried to assure me of security and also to give peace to my people, but a lot of provocation has come from my opponents. So mine is to urge people to get out, that the only statement they can send is to elect a leader of their choice. And here I am. I'm confident I'm going to win this. That is why I'm calm, and I'm pushing it to the end. The results will have to give a statement to the opponent that they are not. Leadership is not about. Leadership is not about the character they have been trying to show every other time. And you cannot impose yourself to the people, because at the end of it, it is what the people look at you as a character. It is what the manifestos you have. It is what the agenda that you sell to the people that will propel you to the leadership. And here I am. I'm urging my people, stay calm. This election we are winning. Whichever way we are provoked, let us keep peace. Because at the end of it, we are a family, and we need Malava to move forward when we are together.
Maybe your opponents are accusing the government machinery, and they are saying they are doing so to aid you possibly get the seat. And secondly, from your experience, you, as an MCA who served 2 terms, during 2022, those who voted were slightly above the half mark. This is a by-election. From your projection, what do you think will be the numbers at the end of the day, given the prevailing circumstances and the atmosphere generally?
Personally, this is not my first time of engaging myself in an election. And I know the rules of the game. And as up to now, I'm saying I've not even caught any security threat, because I'm not playing hard on anybody. I'm just laying my facts right. I'm setting the agenda to the people. I'm trying to tell people what I can do for them. And the issue about the government maybe aiding me, the only thing that I can get me associated with the government is because I'm in UTA party, which is a ruling party. So I can't run away from saying that I'm close to the government. But in any way, opposition will cry foul, because it depends on how they are conducting themselves, because they have no evidence. Even if they have evidence, then they can adduce it to court, or they can explain it to the machinery of the state and let it come out. But for me, if you can accuse me of anything, I have no statement to give right away that it is true, unless somebody adduces evidence. And where I sit as a former MCA, this is a by-election. I am starting off with my ward because 2017, outrightly, I was voted overwhelmingly in all polling stations. 2022, my second term, I was also voted overwhelmingly in all polling stations. So I have a head start in this game. That is why I'm staying calm, knowing very well that my opponents are looking at it as if I'm an amateur in this game. I know this game, and I'm going to show that I'm experienced than they are. Yes.
Machiegni kendo nyakwara Ramogi jong mana kama ntiere karka chane mago matimore kor gwenge mopogore opogore kendo medo mana range wenda to podan go kan ka kod Kennedy Ondiek an ka kod Ambrose Weda wakili kachel koda ka Dina Agai mana kama wantiere karka angene ka wadhi kanyo ka watieko maloso sal mano David Indakwa mano jalar komno mano mar od bura mano ma Malava yutiko mar UDA ose wacho kanyo kaka en kom no osekao kom no osedhi en oseloso kar kanyo motegno nyaka sani yangore kar kanyo ntiere